It's going to be windy.
Again.
Windy. Out of the southeast for anyone headed out to Whataburger Field or playing baseball, any kids practicing baseball this evening, that's what you've got to be prepared for. Now headed to the bus stop, not too bad. Wind is sustained currently at 14 miles per hour. But it's right around lunchtime is when the wind is going to start to pick up. So we'll have those winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour even, possibly this afternoon. That's sustained. So it is going to get windy. It will be warm, not extra hot, but a little extra warm for this time of year. So let's talk wind. These are your gusts. So this is like the strongest we expect the wind to be. This is 4:30 p.m. this afternoon. So 4:30, especially along the coast, so Corpus Christi, Ingleside, Refugio, Flower Bluff, all of these locations expecting to get at or above 40 miles per hour for your wind gusts. A little bit further inland, we're in the 30 mile per hour range, and a little bit more further inland, we're in the 20 mile per hour range. But everyone is going to see the wind picking up between 4 and 8 p.m. That's going to be the sea breeze starting to increase even areas into the brush country. And then watch this. This is Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, everything kind of goes calm initially. Then the front passes through and we see a wind shift. That wind shift will be out of the northwest. Initially, this is going to allow our temperatures to warm up a little bit because it will clear our skies out, drop our humidity, and lower humidity air is able to fluctuate easier. It gets hotter easier and it gets colder easier. When there's moisture in it, the temperature doesn't change quite as quickly. So 29 mile per hour gusts here Wednesday morning. Now the wind is not going to be as strong on Wednesday, but it's going to be out of the northwest. That is a problem because it's dry and it's warm, and that's going to increase our fire danger. It's the combination of low relative humidity and high winds that really boost that. So that's why the National Weather Service has already issued a fire weather warning, which is also known as a red flag warning, across the coastal bend and pretty much across much of South Texas, already issued for Wednesday. So this is Wednesday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Look at this. This is, again, it's the combination. As the winds go up and the humidity goes down, that's when our fire danger is going to be at its worst. Again, this is tomorrow, March 19th, that we're talking the extreme fire danger. But even with that being said, don't let your guard down. We're still have dry shrubs. We still have strong winds. So if a fire were to get started, it's still going to spread pretty quickly even today because of our wind. So why is our wind so strong today? It has to do with this area of high pressure right here and this low pressure. The pressure gradient tightens in between these two areas as the cold front is approaching Texas. That boosts our wind, and it's a southerly wind, so that boosts our humidity. When our wind comes out of the west, when it comes out of the drier part of the United States, that increases our fire danger. High pressure will make Thursday actually a really pleasant day, but because we're coming out of the extreme fire danger on Wednesday, our conditions are going to remain dry overnight and into Thursday morning. So that keeps that fire danger rather elevated, at least through Thursday morning. But temperatures are going to be trending cooler on Thursday, which will help lower our fire danger as well as the lower wind speeds.